This is a demonstration of Exact Rebar drawing a complex slab. Firstly, in PDF, take a copy of the slab. Take a snapshot. Minimize, edit, paste. Zoom in. Now this top line is 245 foot 10. Draw 2 points. And that is 245 foot 10 inches. Now our slab is scaled. Now close that. Now we need to draw around the slab, plan, construct, outline. So we just trace around the slab. And in this case, we'll go back to that point there and we'll say, give me the horizontal component only. That way it'll finish nice and square, and go draw and finish. Now we have our slab and our background drawing. We can remove the background drawing by going Tools, Layers, Graphics, and switching the background off and on again. Or we could use the F12 key on the keyboard to do the same thing. So now we go Plan, New Beam Slab Area. Click on the line. The depth of the slab is 6 inches. Next. Now we could draw the steel manually, but we'll go to the wizard. Change it to slab. The top transverse steel is number 3 rebar. We'll just take the default lap. The bottom transverse is number 3 rebar. Default again. The top steel is number 3 rebar. And the spacing is 18 inches. Number 3 rebar. Spacing 18 inches. Feet in inches. Cover is 1.5 inches. And we'll go next. And there is our longitudinal rebar drawn. Now we need to draw our transverse rebar. Zooming in, we can see the transverse rebar, so we need to select it. Now we have 1.5 inches of zero spacing, and looking down here we have 245 foot 10 left, so say 245 foot 9 inches, and the spacing is 18 inches. Now we need to trim to area. By default, the stirrups are not trimmed to area because the user may wish the stirrups to protrude outside the area to create starters. So we need to click on here, trim to area, then we go add stirrups. And our stirrups are added. Close, close, and there is our drawing and plan. Put it into 3D. There is our drawing in 3D. We can show in color. We can show laps. So we have to zoom in. and the lapse can be seen. Go to quote, and there is our bill of materials, 70,000 feet, our optimization report showing how the steel is optimized. There's 3,120 bars of 20-foot bars and the other bars as shown. So that is how one can quickly do a major slab and work out the reinforcing steel.